Private means not visible to anyone except you guys. And create repository. So this is my repository. I told you there's a two protocol, SSH and HTTPS. For HTTPS, you can use this URL. For SSH, you can use this URL. Okay, and these are the commands. Some of the commands I taught you, some of the commands which I'll show you the demo again. So now this is the repository, and what are the features we have? Look at this. I don't think so you'll get stuck. Just you need to focus on it. So here you see that. So whatever the you guys were demanding the features, GitHub has made it available. So let me show you. Look at this. So here you can have a code. Issue management like a Jira. Here you have Jira. I'm just correlating it so you'll understand that. Okay. Confluence, which I have not covered so far, I will cover. Confluence, did I cover?
No.
No. So I'll cover this for someone. It's a small tool actually for documentations. Here it is. Jira, I covered that, how to create a ticket and all stuff like that. Jenkins, which is a long way to go for you guys. Here it is, Jenkins pipeline. So here you can correlate Jenkins CI tool actually. Okay. You want to do some security audit on the source code? Security audit. DevSecOps. So this is, you guys, DevOps guys don't need it. DevSecOps guys need it. I think, how many of you have registered for DevSecOps out of this session? Yeah. So, and many more options. So this place, this is the organizations. You can create as many repository you want, and all the features which you were earlier asking, GitHub has made it available. So all of you are understanding now?
Here it is.
So now the question is, how do we do the push and pull? Very simple, guys. For HTTPS, you need token. Yes, please remember me what I'm saying. You need a token, because earlier they were supporting the GitHub password, but GitHub password will not work. So you need a token for HTTPS, and for SSH you need a key to be uploaded. So I'll show you this SSH, which I have done it. So keys means where? So in your Windows machine or Linux machine, whenever you go, there's one location which is called .ssh directory. Where is that? Here it is. And here you have a public key, and this is the private key. Private key you should not share with anyone. Public key you can share with the only platform from where you want to access from your laptop without a password or a token. So public key you should share. Now some of you, public key will not be there. This file will not be there. So what to do? So simple, you type in Google, okay, how to generate SSH key or RSA key or whatever it is. And this is the ads, by the way. And this command you have to run. Just enter till you get it. Don't pass any parameters. So this command utility will create it. Now I'm not doing it because I don't want to replace my one. It has been scheduled to multiple locations. So what to do? So for SSH, you need to copy this content of this file, carefully copy entire content here, and go to GitHub, and here setting, new account, new, and there's so many options. Don't get lost. All are easy. One by one, slowly you'll get comfortable with it. This is the SSH key. And you see I have uploaded my laptop. Okay. So yes, you can do that and get going. I don't know. This is, hold on. Now I'll tell you one thing which you'll struggle with it. This key which you have, it will accept only once in the entire GitHub. So please remember that. Okay. So it will be updated. Now you'll say, Rajesh, I need a token. So after applying SSH key, uploading the key, You do need a password or token or something like that. But if you want to say, no, Rajesh, I want the token based only authentication, that means HTTPS. So you have to create a token here. This is the URL. Okay, you have a recording, so you can go through slow. This is the token I generated last week for some other work, and now I'm generating a new token, classic one, password, confirm, and this is a demo, right? 30 days, and this is the worst practice I'm doing. Every sort of access I'm giving to this token. That means those who's having this token can do anything with my account. So, and generate a token. Here it is, these tokens. Now copy this token, and here, this is my repository. I hope you remember that. And come back to this. So HTTPS URL, copy it, git push. And what is the URL? Full URL. And then which branch you want to push it? Master branch. HTTPS, I'm doing it. It will prompt you for the token. Okay. So this is my token. So there's authentication issues. Rerun actually. Why this is coming? Because I always change my token. So my Windows is confused. Man, what you're doing? Have little peace of mind. So because token will be stored in your temporary cache. So if you run multiple times, it will prompt you. And you have a token? Yes, I have a token. Paste it, sign in. And now Windows also, it will store this token somewhere in the credential manager. So that's the reason first time it prompted with the tried the existing token, it didn't work. So now it's trying this token, and here it is. So now you push the code to GitHub. Now let me refresh here, and you see that whatever you did in local using the command line, you can experience it. So these are the commits. This is only one branch I pushed it master. Here you have 5 commits. I did 5 commits, and you can click on. I don't think so you'll struggle now, because first commit, if you remember, I did with some code. So this is my code. This is the commit ID and all this thing. So guys, did you understand, all of you, how to push it?
Yeah, Rajesh. Good.
Yeah. So now I'm going to act like another person. Okay. So let me act like another person. So command line cd. This I'm using Windows version. Okay. So cd Rajesh all, and then workspace, right? Workspace. I hate this. Go to here, workspace, git, and here. This is better. Okay, so I'm acting like someone else. So some XYZ person. So what he will do, he will clone this repository. Which repository? This is the same. Here HTTPS URL, HTTP URL. Clone this. Token is been given already, so it will not prompt you again. It stored the token in the Git, Windows, sorry. And now you see that this is the one. So now I'm acting like some other person. Okay. So here, okay. So now you write your own code. I'm creating through manually. So other.txt and git add dot everything, git commit, other commit. Okay. Now I committed other person, and git push the whole URL instead of origin you can give it. Why? So what, when you clone it, then while cloning the process, this long URL which you specified will become a aliases of origin. Origin can be anything also, but origin. So instead of long URL, you can use origin. It can be other name also, customize origin and push master. So I'm pushing now. After other people are cloning, adding, committing, and pushing. This flow you know very well. And you see here it's pushed. Let's refresh the GitHub, refresh it. See that other.txt has come. Now I'm acting like Rajesh here. Do I have other.txt? See, I don't have it. So I have to pull it. So git pull and then pull URL and master. But I don't like copying and pasting the URL again and again. It's irritate me. So can we convert this long URL to the aliases just like the clone? So this is the command to create aliases. Origin, it can be any name also. This is URL and enter. So now here also I can do git pull origin. So git pull origin master. Simple. And here I'm pulling from the GitHub now, and you see that ls the other.txt has come. So this is how you will keep working. Add, commit, push, pull, push, add, commit, pull, push. This is the whole time you'll be working, and GitHub will work like a middleman and facilitate all the features which you need. Am I making any sense, guys? All of you?
Yeah, Rajesh, good to me.
Yeah. So now I want to push some other branches. So I have a few branches here. Oh, sorry, I'm not pulling. I should push actually. Bad. I should push the branches. So P1 branch also I want to share with the whole world. It's my team, by the way. And you see that it's pushed. And can I refresh this? And can I see that here? You have. So this is the way we will work on it. So now we are going to work with GitHub. So guys, any questions so far? Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts, guys?
No.
Okay, so let's get started with the working with GitHub now. So in the here issues, you can create issues. I don't think so. You need a great explanation for it. You can create any kind of issues on the software which is here. So let's say DevOpsSchool.com login is not working. So create a ticket, assign to someone, and all these fields, projects, labels, and and create. And when you start working, you keep chatting. I'm working on it like this. Simply, I'm just faking out. You know that very well. One hit, wonderful. Yeah. You want to close it. You want to, close as not planned. You want to lock, pin, transfer, delete, all this thing you have. So yeah, this is the issue management. Just like a Jira, you have it. You can search, filter on this thing. You can, multiple options are available. Now here you have a wikis where you can create a pages for it. Confluence I have not covered. Most of the organizations we use the Confluence, but you can use this one also. So you write a code here, work, task management and document management, everything at a place. So here, create a page, home page. This is the markup language. So if you don't know the markup language, little bit of time is spent. It's very easy to learn markup language. But by the way, GitHub supports different languages also actually. ASCII doc, QRoll, I have never heard about it. Markdown, MediaWiki, so many. So Markdown is a very popular one. I must suggest you to learn. H1, H2, H3, B, Italic. Many things are there. You can see the preview. Everything's become H1. So why you have to give it, you know what, this one. And now preview. See.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.